garage here. We're back again. As you guys can see next to me and right in front of me, my boxes are back in my parents' garage. So unfortunately the dealer I was working at shut down. So it is now December. As you can see, I'm wearing clothes that are appropriate for that. And it's not really a great time to try to get a job in the moto world. So for now, I actually got offered to work out of a barn and take all my tools there and do my side work because I have a big list. So I've been kind of gathering things that I'm hoping will help me do that. And one of them is actually what the camera's sitting on right now. I got this motorcycle lift for free. As you can see, it's huge. It was actually outfitted by the last owner for working on motors. So what I'll do is I'll take the side planes off there and there, and then obviously I got this Harbor Freight motorcycle vise accessory and 4 U-bolts just for tie downs. Even though it has holes in it, I'd feel better about pulling the ratchet strap through U-bolts. So just a little update. Figured I would give you guys a little bit of a look at this cool lift. I'm very excited to be able to use it. So I'm going to get it built, and then once that's all done, I'll give you guys a quick shot of it. Also picked up this flat jack, which I'm really excited about. It's cool. I could get it in yellow, and that is going to be for doing motorcycle stuff as well. Link will be in the description for that. So I'm going to get rolling on this thing, and I have a couple more videos that I just haven't really been working on yet. One of them is a teardown, the XR80 engine back there for my friend's mini bike. And I think I have 1 or 2 the Saab where I was doing motor mounts and things didn't exactly go to plan. So that's kind of why I've been neglecting that. But I'm going to save some camera space, some download space, and just build this. And then at the end, hopefully give you guys a little shot of it. Maybe even throw the Buell or maybe the Yamaha up there and just test it out, make sure everything works good. And just like that, the sides are off. Be interested to get it cleaned up and see the what the logo is. But it's amazing how much smaller it looks now. I'm excited though. We'll get the vise on there and the U-bolts, and then, like I said, really just test it out, get ready to go. So exciting stuff. Got the wheels on the ground so it's nice and level. I'm excited, guys. We got it. So we'll use some Zep degreaser on this thing. Clean the side right up, looking pretty nice. I'm actually thinking I'll hit the bottom with the pressure washer just because it's so nasty once my brother leaves, because I don't want to get his Fiesta all nasty. And then I'm actually thinking just because this is flaking so much, I'm just going to hit it with a wire wheel where the paint's flaking, and then where it's not, I'll just leave it for now. But that'll clean up this rust and basically just make it less of a mess to keep cleaning up. But I'm pretty excited, guys. It's a handy airlift. So never heard of that. I'm sure some of you older gentlemen or women in the comments might know about that, but I don't. So it's kind of cool to have a bit of a Frankenstein lift because I know it's going to work well. And this thing is obviously a beast. I mean, look at how thick everything is. So should do just fine. But let's go ahead and power wash this thing and then start getting that wheel vise up here on the front. Looking good. Gonna let it dry in the sun while I eat some lunch. Definitely cleaned up pretty nice. Obviously it'll probably look dirty again once it dries, but I'm just happy to get a lot of the dust off of there. It's looking like a usable lift, guys. Pretty cool. Soon we'll get that vise on there, get some air to it, and see if it goes up and down. So sometime later, guys, it is all together and we got the Buell up there. So I put U-bolts on 4 corners, so basically you can tie the front tire or front wheel down and then the back wheel down, so if you're doing a front, which is what you want. I'm pretty happy with how the stay came out, or the wheel vise. And then obviously I got this flat jack from Amazon. Guys, I'm stoked. This is such a game changer. It works, which is awesome. It actually believe it or not, the little compressor here is enough to lift this thing right up, no problem. So that's exciting stuff. Pretty cool to see a bike up there. And I'm lucky because I got the table itself for free. The only things I had to invest in were the flat jack, the wheel vise, and then the 4 U-bolts. But obviously, you guys can see, she's not going anywhere. I'm really excited to start putting some work off of this thing and seeing where it takes me. So just want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed even just a little update. And hopefully by the next video, I'll have a ton of customers. We'll see though. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. And if you feel like it, like and subscribe. Later.